Welcome back to this video tutorial series for the Stereo Panoramic Player plugin for Unreal Engine. In this video, we'll look at some features of the Panoramic Director, including how to manually launch a panoramic experience, and some options for further customizing the experience with different transition effects. First, we'll take a look at how to manually launch a panoramic experience on the Director, instead of having it run automatically at the start of the level. For this example, we'll create a trigger volume in the level to trigger the experience when the player steps into it. To do this, we'll click on the Add menu at the top of the viewport, and under the Volume section, we'll select the trigger volume and move it to the desired location. Then, with the trigger still selected, we'll open the level blueprint, right-click in the event graph, and add a onActorBegin overlap event for the trigger. Next, we'll select the Panoramic Director in the outliner, then go back to the level blueprint and right-click in the event graph and add a call to the play function on the Director. Then we'll connect that up to the execution pin of the trigger event and select the experience we want to run. Finally, we'll make sure the experience property on the Panoramic Director is empty to prevent it from automatically running at the start of the level. Now when we play the level, we can see the panoramic experience only starts when we walk into the trigger volume. Next, we'll look at how to configure the Director to nicely fade in and out when entering and exiting the experience and when navigating between different panoramic stages. To do this, first, we'll need to create a curve asset to control the fade. To create a new curve asset, right-click in the content window and under the Miscellaneous category, select Curve, then choose Curve Float for the class. Now we'll open the created curve asset and right-click in the graph and add one key at 0, 0 and another key at 1, 1. Now, on the Panoramic Director, we'll assign the curve to the Cutoff Alpha Curve property and enable the Cutoff on Enter and Exit option. Now we can see we have a nice fade in and out transition when entering and exiting the panoramic experience. Next, we'll assign our curve to the Fade Curve property on the Panoramic Director and enable the Fade on Transition option. With this option enabled, we now also have a fade transition when navigating between different panoramic stages. The Panoramic Director has many features for customizing and controlling your panoramic experience. For more information, see the documentation linked in the video description. Thanks for watching.